Ow! Hot, dummy! Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ant. Today, ooh, wait a minute, back up. Today, as you can see clearly from the title, we're going to be a natural baddie. Now, what is a natural baddie? Someone who is just naturally that bitch. Honestly, I only threw in the word natural because I didn't feel like braiding up my hair. I didn't feel like doing a ball cap method. Not even really a ball cap method, just like not putting on a wig cap. And I wanted to do something with my natural hair. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. We've got all kinds of room in these parts to add more beautiful people into my life. And why wouldn't you want to be a beautiful person anyway? Why won't you be one? And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo. Natural baddie is just me and my natural element. Like, I don't have a wig on, I don't have any extensions. I just want to do something with my hair. Play with it a little bit, get it all cleaned up, touched up, or snatched looking right. And, you know, just do my hair, I guess. I'm just gonna do something really cute, little curls with my hair, wash her, and just get all dolled up to probably do nothing at the end of the day anyway. But we just talked about this in the last video. Little victories matter. This is going to take, this will probably take like 2 days. It's gonna be it's not a few days, but it's gonna take like a day and a half process for me to transform, okay? I'm not Sailor Moon. I can't do it within a scene. Like, I'm not that bitch. But I'm gonna wash her, I'm gonna dry her, and then we're gonna cut to the finishing scene tomorrow to where we'll go ahead and we'll curl her together. We'll curl this crown together, you know? So, you know, this is this before state, all thick and voluptuous and dry as hell. But we're gonna wash her and we're gonna transform ourselves. But yeah, so prepare for the after mid section. Here's a quick reel, just enjoy that. Goodness, it's been so long since I can remember actually curling my hair with a curling iron. I tried to find a curling wand and I was just unsuccessful and had no energy to go to another store to see if they had one. So I caved and I bought a curling iron. So I already got my hair kind of somewhat sectioned off into little pieces. Now I'm just gonna comb it out and curl it up. And then after we're done with that, we can go ahead and jump into the makeup look. So just for reference, the curling iron that I'm forced to use is this Conair Infinite Pro 1-in curling iron. To help hold the curls, I found this spray at my local Target, and I'm gonna try and use that to help hold the curls. Let's go, I guess. At this point in my hair that the curls weren't coming out the way that I wanted them to come out. Like they were at for some reason doing whatever that they wanted to do, and I was not happy with it. So regretting at this point not just going to the store and buying a wand, because I really want to see what they're about. I done lost my comb, y'all. Found it. Apparently, I gotta go feed my mule because because 1 minute, I'll be back. So we're back. I have 2 mules. I live on 6 1/4 acres, and this one mule who I almost had to fight last week always comes to the door when she wants something. So if she wants an apple, if she wants a carrot, if she wants her alfalfa, if she wants her grain, if she wants whatever to just be loved, she'll come to the door. Lately, she's been having attitude, and I get it because it's cold out in these streets. But at the same time, I can't really be mad at her though, because I get that way when I'm hungry too. Anyways, this is what I use for my moisturizer and my primer. It is the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. It costs a grip, but you know, it's worth it. I like it. A little bit goes a long way with this one. If you put too much on, you're gonna end up looking pasty AF. So be careful, girl. Okay, so I've been using this new brow method. It's not new, but it's new to me new. And I kind of like it a lot more than me using my pencil sometimes, because I don't like my eyebrows to look too heavy. I like them big, but I don't like them to look, you know, too dark. Like, the more realistic, the better. So what I've been doing lately when it comes to my brows is I've just been using this Revolution by the Simpsons. And I can't remember if it's supposed to be a liner or if it's supposed to be for brows, but I take a little bit of my little makeup liner brush thingamajig. What are you called? Don't these all have names on them? This one does not. But I take it and I dab it in there and I line, and then I just swoosh it in there. And you can see how I didn't even really have to dip. I barely have to touch into the jar. And I end up getting so much. My dog just farted and my cat is sitting here judging so hard. I was just talking about how I don't like my brows to be too dark. And here we are, being dark. That's fine. That's fine. It's whatever. It's whatever. Dark ass brows. Thick ass brows. Then I go in with this NYX Born to Glow. And I just put it under my brows. Cut them bitches. And clean them up a little bit, you know. Oh my word. I just remembered I did not spray. My hair, that is. I didn't spray my hair. Christian S Dry Finish Working Texture Spray. For all hair types, texture building, instantly volumizing, ultra light, hold, soft, matte finish. Lots of words for a hairspray bottle that takes me, or cost me $14. Smells hella good though. Tip, apply a little and hold 30 seconds for spray to dry before adding a second layer. I'm not adding a second layer. It is what it is, okay? We either gonna stick or we not. I'm not going nowhere but Walmart. The fuck I gotta look cute for Walmart for? It's Walmart. And look at that, our brows are done. Oh my God, girl, we doing the damn thing. We doing it. I'm gonna go in with this SheGlam palette in Beach Sunset. And we're gonna start with this aging color, whatever it is. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can see because I don't know how to say it. I wanna do something a little natural today. And we're not using tape either, girl. Okay, we're coming up in the world. We're not using tape. Oh my God. This is a really pretty color, I think. I really am debating right now on whether I want to go add some glitter in here or not. I am staring at this one shade in here called 6 p.m. and I think I just might go for it. I think I just might just do it. Why are you flaring your nose, boo? You don't need to flare your nose. Well, what do you know? This brush ain't shit either. Because I'm sitting here talking shit. The brush. Brush did what the brush did. Betrayed a hoe. That's alright, that's alright. We're fixing it, we're fixing it. Bitch! Guys! Did the damn thing. Now we can go back with Miss Crusty Dusty over here, wherever she is. I can't find her. And fill it in. A heartbeat. It's messing me up over here. We're fine. It's fine. Okay, so next I want to go in with that Serene and I want to put that in everywhere. And when I mean put it everywhere, I mainly just mean in my inner corners. I don't know what I'm doing. I am literally just freeballing this. Oh, this one is way higher. We'll ignore it. It's part of my eye stain. Now we're going to dabble in that 6 p.m. and just put it on the outside. Yeah, adding this 6 p.m. Brilliant, love. Brilliant. Okay, so now we're gonna go in back in that palette and we're gonna use the shade Afterglow. And we're gonna put that in our ducks. I cannot tell. I can kind of tell. That was a lie. Yeah, I can totally tell. That was an absolute lie. Now we're gonna do the face. Normally I fast forward through this part because I don't really find it that interesting. You already primed and whatever. Go back in with that NYX Born to Glow. Add my powder. It was at this moment I wished I cleaned my e.l.f. concealer sponge. It even got my ear, y'all. Oh dear.
Oh dear. Let's contour, y'all. Oh yeah. Feeling a little dry, boo. Wake up. All right, let's throw some lashes on now. Glue is always so hard. Always so hard. Mascara. Take that 6 p.m. and I'm gonna add it on my lower lash. Cola lip liner. And now this NYX La Casa de Papel. I can't speak Spanish, so I apologize. But it's after that show with the El Professor on there, the Heist, Golden Heist, Money Heist. It's on the lipstick. Read it, Aunt. And this one is in the shade Nairobi. Oh, ma'am. See, this is so cute. This is so cute. I don't even think I want to put like a lighter, a highlighter on it, but I will put a blush on because I feel like that's very appropriate. I feel like this is so cute. These people at Walmart don't deserve me today. Help this blush out up here since it wants to do the freaking most. There we go. There we go, boo. Let's get you situated. I don't know what that was. Don't come for me. All right, I'm gonna go change my shirt and then we'll finish up the hair and call it a day.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ah! Okay, so folks, this is the end of this natural baddie transformation. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? If you do, let me know by leaving a like on this video. This dead ass reminds me of my emo days. Hair in my face to cover this big old theater I got up here. Can't call me stupid with this big head motherfucker. Let me scoop. I feel like I should add my edges right here, but I don't want to. Go ahead and comment any kind of tips that you have down below, and I will be sure to read every single last one of them. Don't leave it like a ghost town down there. Let me know. Any tips, any tricks, anything. Let me know why my curls didn't go the way that I wanted them to go. I was trying to look like this and I ended up looking like this. I got all the body and the volume going on, but a lot more loose curls, a lot of looseness going on right here. That's not what I wanted. At the end of the day, I think I'm cute though. I am a baddie. At the end of the day, I feel like I did accomplish somewhat of a natural baddie look. If you are new to this channel, be a beautiful person. Join the beautiful gang. Why would you not want to be a beautiful person? That's what I would like to know. Anywho, I'll catch you next time, boo. Bye. Don't ask me to show you the back of my head because I'm not going to.